Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, today's video, I am sharing some fall outfit inspiration through Dailylook. And if you're not familiar with Dailylook, they are a clothing subscription service. Basically, you just go online, you fill out an online profile. I thought that was really interesting, and I liked seeing it kind of come together in the end by all the different questions and how I answered them. And you get a personal stylist and they pick out items for you. And you can say, I'd like more of this kind of item, or I don't want this type of item, or no jewelry, or anything like that. And then they curate some items for you. You will get to see those before it actually gets shipped to you. And if you want to switch out some items, you can. So for instance, I switched out 2 or 3 of my items just because a couple of them were things I already had in my wardrobe. So then you get the box sent to you and you have 5 days to try everything on, keep what you like, and send back what you don't. If you're interested in trying out Dailylook, check out the description box below. I actually have a $10 off coupon code for you service. But I was really interested because I can kind of get in a rut sometimes with my clothing pieces, or if I'm not buying anything, but I need a few pieces to mix in my wardrobe. So I thought it would give me some new ideas. And there were 2 items in particular that I really liked. And you'll see that here in the try on. So let's jump to that. So here is the first outfit, the cold shoulder shirt. And I'm a little bit over the cold shoulder, off the shoulder. I know some of you are still really loving it, so you probably like this top. Has 3/4 sleeves. This is what it looks like in the back. For me, I need it to give me a little bit of shape, so I'd probably do my front pocket tuck like I normally do, like this, or you could even do a straight up, front tuck. So I just threw on some sandals with it. I have some different shoes to show you. These J brand jeans, they fit really good. However, I just don't think the style is super flattering on me. I think it's the wash and the leg. I'm one of those people that's really picky and strange about if something's ankle length, I need it to be really tight around the ankle, unless it's supposed to actually be a flare, which these aren't. I think these are just a straight leg, but kind of at the ankle. And maybe it's just my height. I'm 5'5", so they look a little strange. It's not too bad from the front, but I don't like that sticking out a ton at the side. Do you see what I mean? And they fit. I think a lot of it is just the wash of them. And for me, just being a little picky about the ankle. I had really high hopes for these because I've never had J brand jeans. And at least now I can, maybe check out some other styles. So here it is with some different shoes, something, I'd wear. You can wear black booties as well. I love leopard print in the fall. Okay, so here's the next piece, and I was really excited about this one because I knew I would love it, and I do. And you can do so many things with this. I went ahead and just put it over that black shirt so you could see that you could wear it with something like this, or just a plain black t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt would look good with stripes as well. You could also belt it, but I just left that same entire outfit on because obviously with this color it would look great with some leopard shoes or black. Anyway, I love this. It's like a really nice lightweight sweater material. The color is perfection with the tan. It's like that really pretty camel color. I hope it's showing up true to color here. But again, you could totally wear this with the cutout shoulder if you wanted. I probably would just wear it with a full shoulder 3/4 long sleeve or short sleeve tee. It would look great with a white t-shirt under it as well. And it just has pockets right here. It has a side slit. The brand is Corey. I've never heard of that brand before. But it's very nice, and I love how soft and lightweight it is. So this would be perfect transitioning into fall under something. Just a really great, pretty piece. Totally happy with this one. I'm totally keeping this. So next is this Michael Stars top. I've always heard about this brand, and I know that they're really nice quality. A lot of people love them. This is super soft. It's like a pretty olive green. I was really excited about this, but this shape of top, kind of like that last one I just tried on, does nothing for me because I have a bigger chest, a smaller waist, and hips. I need something to define, you know, my waist and be a little more fitted. This is a little too flowy for me. This is what the side looks like. It's like a ribbed material here. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love things like that. I just threw on my own jeans since those J brand weren't gonna work. And I'll put all the description of everything here on the screen or below. But they were the cropped cigarette jean. And again, I just left these shoes on because I would actually wear these probably with something this color. This just isn't my type of shirt. All right, so this is the next outfit, and I threw this back on over this shirt because I wanted you to see that this particular piece will layer over so much. So this shirt is what I'm gonna show you, but again, I wanted to show you this layered real quick first. And I just have on some little ankle booties here. Okay, so this is just a simple classic button-down oversized shirt. So it has, you know, nice collar, pockets go horizontal, the rest vertical. You know, just that typical Oxford feel, you know, striped shirt. It does have a button here, so you could button it up higher up on the sleeve if you want. I just rolled it up a couple of times. And then I also did a little front tuck. And again, you just kind of fold it over. But I just like that look on my body type, you know. You could always tuck the whole thing in, obviously. This would look great with a pair of like black pants for work, tuck in the shirt, of course. So you can't go wrong with a classic shirt like this. And then you could put a puffer vest over it, you know, wear it by itself again. This is just like a really classic shirt. I love things like this. I love the color. All right, so this is the next one. It's a navy, just long sleeve shirt. It does have the hidden buttons. I have a little front tuck going on here. It is that crossover in the back. I don't know if I can show you that well because of the color being so dark. But it literally, it stops like right here with buttons. Really not my style. It's a little boxy, and I know those like crossover and open back, everything is very popular right now. It's just not really my style. This is a little big for me down here. It fits fine up here. And I like the material of it. It's actually very soft, and of course I love navy, anything blue. I just kept it on with the booties again. So you could totally wear this just out. So this one is definitely a no for me. So unfortunately the jeans did not work, but I'm definitely going to look into that brand of jeans more because they did fit very nicely. It just, the cut and the wash and different things didn't work out for me, but those were really nice. And you guys know I just loved that camel color vest. I had been looking for something like that, so that was awesome that it came in the box. And I mean, there's so many different ways to style it that I didn't even show in the video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because that's where I show most of the outfits I style to give you some inspiration. Of course, that blue and white striped shirt is just a classic, and you could do all kind of things with that as well. Dress it up, dress it down. And unfortunately, the other pieces, you know, weren't totally my style, so I'm going to send those back. So let me know in the comments below which was your favorite outfit on me, what you liked, what you didn't like. So I thought this was really interesting, and I would definitely consider doing it again. If you guys have used Dailylook, leave me a comment below. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. Again, be sure to check out the description box so you can get $10 off your first Dailylook box. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you back. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.